Hi friends, Assalamu alaikum. You are welcome to my channel Nasib IT. Friends, today in this video I will show you how to design this business card easily by using Photoshop. So let's start the video. So friends, first of all we have to set up a page. To do it, we have to click on here. Then we have to select insert from here. Then I have to click on this box and prefer 3.5. Then I have to click on this box and prefer 2. Then I have to click on the OK. After set up the page, we have to unlock the background layer. Then I have to right click on this layer. Then I have to click on the blending option. Then I have to click on the gradient only. Then I have to select liner gradient from here. Then I have to click on here. Then I have to select this. Then click on the color. Then select this color from here. Then click on the OK. Then click on here. Then click on the color. Then select this color. Then click on the OK. Then I have to select the background layer again, then lock this layer. After I have to select the pen tool from here, then I have to click on here, then I have to click on here and do a curve. Then I have to click on here. Then I have to click on here and do a curve again. Then press and hold alt key, then click on the anchor point, then click on here, 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 and here. Then I have to select this layer again. Then I have to press and hold alt key, then I have to take a copy from this. Then double click on here, then select the blue color, then click on the OK. Then drag this layer under this layer. Then I have to drag this layer in here. Then I have to rotate this layer. Then select the pen tool again, then click on here, then click on here and draw a curve. Then press and hold alt key, then click on the anchor point. Click on here and do a curve again. Then press and hold alt key, then click on the anchor point again, then click on here. Then click on the fill, then select this color. This color, then select the move tool and drag this layer under these layers. Then select this layer again, then press and hold alt key, then take over from this layer, then I will click on here. Then select the green color, then click on OK. Then drag this layer under this layer. Then I have to drag this layer in here. Then rotate this layer. Then increase the size of this layer. Then select this layer again. Then click on here. Then right click on this layer and click on the layer. Now we have to select this layer. Then press and hold alt key, then take a copy from this layer. Then double click on here, then select this color, then click on OK. Then drag this layer in here. So now we have to select this layer, then right click on this layer, then click on the blending option. Then click on the color overlay, then click on here. Then we have to select this color. Then click on the OK. Now we have to select this and double click on here. Then select this color. Then select this color from here. Then click on the OK. Then select this. Then double click on here. Then select this color from here. Then you have to select this color. Then click on the OK. Then select this. Then right click on this layer. Then click on the blending option. Then click on the gradient only. Then click on the OK. Then select this, then right click on this layer, then click on the blending option, then click on the gradient only, then click on the OK. Now we have to select this, then right click on this layer, then click on the blending option, then click on the drop shadow. Then select this, then right click on this layer, then click on the blending option. Then click on the drop shadow. After that, we have to select this layer. Then double click on here. Then select this color. Then click on the OK. Then select this layer. Then double click on here. Then select this color. Then click on the OK. Then select these. then right click on this layer, then click on the blending option, then click on the drop shadow, then click on the OK. Then I have to select these, then select the rounded rectangle tool from here, then draw this shape in here, then select this, then increase the size of this, then drag this in here, then increase the tick mark, then go to the layer panel, then select this, then drag this in here, then press on Ctrl key, then take it from this, then double click on here, then select this color, then select this color from here, then click on the OK. Now we have to design the other things of this business card, so look at this in hand deeply. After open all icons, we have to set these icons in our business card. You have to select this layer, then right click on this layer, then click on the blending option, then click on the color overlay, then right click on this layer, then click on the copy layer style, then select this, then right click on this layer, then click on the paste layer style. You have to select the shape tool from here, then draw the shape in here, then decrease the feather from here, then click on here, then select this color from here, then select the move tool, then go to the layer panel, then drag these layers under this layer, then select this layer, then press and hold the Alt key, then take a copy from this layer. After that, we have to write the text in here, so I am already write the text, so I am pasting the text in here. Then you have to select these layers, then click on here, then select this color, then click on the OK. After that, we have to set our logo in here. So I am opening my logo from my laptop. You have to select this text, then press on Ctrl key, then take a copy from this text, then double click on here, then write your company name in here. Then select this text, then click on here, then select the white color, and click on the OK. Then select this, then drag this in here. Now our business card design has been completed. Now I have to set this business card in a mockup. So I am opening a mockup from my PC. To open the mockup, I have to click on here. Then I have to select all layers from here. Then I have to click on the backspace. Then I have to back to the project. Then I have to unlock all layers from here. Then I have to select these layers. Then I have to drag these layers in here. Then I have to set this business card in here. Then I have to press Ctrl S button from keyboard. Now you can see the final result. Friends, if this video is useful to you, please like and share this video and subscribe my channel to get more videos. Thanks for watching the video. Allah Hafiz.